Once upon a time, there was a little bird who was afraid to fly. He would sit on his branch all day long, watching the other birds soar through the sky. One day, the little bird saw a beautiful butterfly. The butterfly was so free and happy, flying from flower to flower. The little bird wished he could be like the butterfly. "I want to fly," said the little bird. "You can fly," said the butterfly. "Just flap your wings and believe in yourself." The little bird took a deep breath and flapped his wings as hard as he could. He felt himself lifting off the branch and soaring into the sky. The little bird was so happy. He flew all over the garden, feeling the wind in his feathers and the sun on his face. He was no longer afraid to fly. From that day on, the little bird flew every day. Moral of the story: believe in yourself and you can achieve anything. Don't be afraid to try new things. The world is a beautiful place and there's so much to explore.